Use of larger areas for knee, elbow, back, and striae of pregnancy. For eyes and both sides of nose, we recommend using the D240 tip first, and then try the D200 tip if you feel the microdermabrasion effect is not obvious. We recommend using the D240 tip first, and then try the D200 tip if you feel the microdermabrasion effect is not obvious. 1. We recommend using the D180 tips, which effectively remove dead skin cells, promote skin renewal, and are ideal for improving rough skin texture. 2. If you feel that your skin has thicker dead skin buildup, you can alternate with the D120 tip. However, we do not recommend using the D120 tip on your face long term. 3. Use 3 times a week. Avoid barrier damage due to overuse. 4. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen after use to help the skin recover. 1. We recommend using the D180 microdermabrasion tip and focusing on cleaning the T-zone, which effectively remove oil and impurities from pores, help control oil secretion, and reduce the formation of blackheads. 2. Use 1 to 2 times a week. 3. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen after use to help the skin recover. 1. You can choose the microdermabrasion tip based on your needs. We recommend starting with a higher D number tip, e.g. D180 or D240, which effectively helps maintain smoothness and promote skin renewal. 2. Use 2 times a week. 3. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen after use to help the skin recover. 1. We recommend using the D240 microdermabrasion tip to gently exfoliate and promote skin renewal. 2. Use 1 time a week. The skin may produce more oil on the second day as a protective response, so moisturizing is key. 3. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen after use to help the skin recover. 1. We recommend a zoned approach for optimal results. Use the D240 tip with minimal suction for gentle exfoliation. Lightly treat the cheeks to avoid irritation, and apply slightly more pressure on the T-zone to target oil and impurities, keeping the pressure gentle to protect the skin. 2. Use 1 time a month. It is recommended to consult professional for guidance. 3. Apply moisturizer and sunscreen after use to help the skin recover. As you continue to use it, your facial skin will become smoother and smoother, and you will need to gradually change to microdermabrasion tip with a higher number and finer grit. 1. As the skin smooths, we recommend gradually switching to a higher number tip. 2. Don't redermabrasion the same area. 3. We recommend starting with the highest number, D240. 4. Replace the tips every 3 months.